Push the power button left to put into wash mode, and open the draw handle to eject the mix in the barrel. Pour cold water into the hopper. And use the cleaning brush to clean the sides of the hopper. Switch the freezer to wash mode again and empty the rinse. Repeat until the rinse water runs clear. Make sure the freezer is in the off mode, loosen all 4 door nuts and set aside. Remove the beater assembly, making sure to hold each scraper blade when removing. Remove the drive shaft from the back of the freezing cylinder. Remove the white bearing guide from the torque arm, and using an O-ring tool, remove the small black O-ring on the opposite end. Remove the white guide bearing and black O-ring from the front of the door. Remove the silver pin, the draw handle, and the priming plug from the front of the door. Rotate the draw valve 90 degrees so that the top of the draw valve is facing away from the door. Remove the icebreaker and draw valve from the door. Using the O-ring tool, remove the 2 orange O-rings. Using a dry towel, remove excess lubricant from the drive shaft, boot seal, and black O-ring. You should now follow your cleaning instructions to wash, rinse, and sanitize the door assembly using the approved Taylor brushes.